How to change front brake discs and pads on Volkswagen Touareg 7P, Audi Q7, Porsche Cayenne, 2011 to 2017, in 14 easy steps. Required tools and parts: car lift or jack and jack stands, to support the car securely, 19mm, 21mm socket wrench, torque wrench, flat blade screwdriver with small nose for removing the clamp, brake release spray/cleaner, metal brush and clean cloth, pliers, hammer, anti-squeal paste for discs, or anti-squeal for pads, bit Torx T50, discs, compatible pads and sensors for the front pads. In our case they are all Brembo. Brake fluid, check and, if necessary, top up or replace. You can find all these tools and parts below in the video description. Here you can see the new set of front and rear brake pads and rotors from Brembo that you can find it below in the video description. But in this video we are going to show you how to install just the front brake rotors and pads. Keep in mind of the directional vanes on brake rotors. These Brembo rotors doesn't have that directional vanes. 1. Lift the car on a lift or jack, fix it on jack stands, and remove the wheel with a 19mm socket. 2. Remove the caliper guide bolts and remove the safety clamp from the caliper. 'Make sure that the guide bolts are removed almost to the end and do not interfere with removing the brake pads. 3. Retract the caliper piston with a flat blade screwdriver or a crowbar. 4. Remove the sensors and then remove the worn pads. 5. Block the disc using a screwdriver and loosen the bolt that secures the brake disc using a T50 Torx. Also, you can apply some WD-40 lubricant to release the bolt more easily. You can hit it a few times with a hammer if the disc does not come off easily. 6. Unscrew the sensor cable from the brackets and then disconnect the plug. 7. Pull the wheel onto the right to loosen the 2 caliper bolts with a 21mm socket. 8. Remove the caliper and take the brake disc out. 9. Clean the contact surface of rust using a wire brush. You can also clean the inside of the caliper where the pads slide. 10. Install the new brake disc and tighten the bolt on the disc, then tighten the caliper bolts. You can apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion paste to the contact surface, not the friction surface. This is what the new Brembo brake pads for the front wheels look like. 11. Install the new brake pads in the caliper and put the safety clamp back in place. 12. Reinstall the guide bolts. 13. Connect the plug and secure the cable and sensors from the brake pads. 'You have to replace both sets of front brake pads at the same time, on the right and left side. 14. Install the wheel, tighten the bolts to 180 Newton meters and lower the car from the lift. You should pump the brake pedal several times after replacing brake pads to bring the brake pads closer to the disc brake. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.